Dad, Mr. Henderson paid me $100 to mow his lawn. I got 85. Someone took $15 from my life.
Welcome to adulthood, son. The government took 15%. Technically, you stole from them all year. Now you're even.
What? I didn't steal anything. I mowed a lawn.
Tax withholding means they take it before you see it, so you don't have to save up a lump sum in April. You actually owed it the whole time.
So if I make $1 million someday, the government takes like 37% of all of it?
No. This is the biggest tax myth. Brackets are like shelves. Only the money on that shelf gets taxed at that rate. Your first $12,000. Zero tax.
So a billionaire still pays zero tax on his first $12,000. That's actually hilarious.
Technically accurate. His effective tax rate, the blended average, ends up around 20-something% on $1 million. Not 37.
What even is FICA? That sounds like a fake country.
Federal Insurance Contributions Act. 7.65% of everything you earn. Pays for Social Security, your future retirement check, and Medicare, your future doctor bills.
I'm paying into my own future retirement. Right now. At 15. That's kind of incredible actually.
It is incredible. And mildly complicated by the fact that you're funding today's retirees, not a savings account for yourself. But still.
Okay, but where does the money go? Like, what am I actually buying?
Roads you drive on. Schools you attend. The military. Medicaid for people who can't pay for doctors. The FBI. National parks. Interest on the national debt.
Wait, we pay interest on the national debt? Like Tyler's credit card, but for a whole country?
Exactly like that. Except the balance is $33 trillion. Which is a number so large it's basically a hallucination.
I am not thinking about that. I am going to close that door and never open it. What's a deduction? People say it like it's magic.
A deduction shrinks the income you're taxed on. Earn $50,000, claim $10,000 in deductions, you're taxed like you made $40,000. The government pretends you earned less.
And a credit?
A credit is better. It comes straight off your actual tax bill. You owe $500 in taxes. A $500 credit makes that $0. Dollar for dollar.
Credits are obviously better. Why does anyone care about deductions then?
Because credits are rare and small. Deductions are everywhere: mortgage interest, charitable donations, business expenses. You stack what you can.
Is there any totally legal way to just not pay taxes on money?
Yes. It's called a Roth IRA. You put in money you already paid tax on. It grows for decades. When you retire, you pull it out. Zero tax. None.
Why does the government allow this? That sounds like they made a mistake.
They get taxed now. And they're betting you'll spend most of it before retirement anyway. Congress hasn't met many patient teenagers.
I have earned income from mowing lawns. I can open one right now?
You can. Any earned income, any age. You can contribute up to $7,000 a year. And the IRS can't touch it when you're 65.
Why is tax day April 15th? Why not January 1st? Or never? Never seems good.
The calendar year ends December 31st. April gives everyone 3.5 months to gather paperwork, find deductions, and do the math. Historically, it used to be March. Congress pushed it.
Congress. Pushing a deadline. Must be nice to set your own due dates.
Son, that is a masterclass in dry wit. Write that down. The $15 the government took, annoying or reasonable?
Annoying. But, I used a road to get to Mr. Henderson's house. And I go to a public school. So, fine. $15.
That's citizenship. Also, open a Roth IRA with whatever you made this summer. Future you will write present you a thank you note.
Future me better also Venmo present me for the trouble.
Next time, passive income. How to make money while you sleep. Not a dream, actual math.